Today we are going to have an okay, hold on. There. Today we are going to have an air show.
Wait, is it working?
We have competitor number 3.
I'm Kaizen.
Are you feeling pretty confident about?
No.
Let's head over to the competition arena. Wait, you guys going the wrong way. There's our warming up.
My thing is shooting.
The planes are going to be competing in 5 different categories. 1, 2, 3. Go fourth row. Go fourth row. We got my plane too. This is the Chan Clan plane. 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. My turn. Oh. So Kaizen beat me in that round. It's okay. Go, Kai. Oh, close. Time out. Okay, she's got a scratch on her leg, all right? She's got a medical emergency. Because it's kind of windy. Yeah, so we're just gonna go straight to hang time. Wait, which way does this go? Oh, this way. So confused.
Look at that, there's a beauty in the sky.
Paper airplane injury. Now it's time for style. I think probably I win. And then we have this one, which is this is kind of backwards. It's a backwards airplane. See some tricks? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that thing is fast. Tricks. Whoa, that was hit me in the face. Whoa, going right now. Whoa, there goes my guy. Whoa.
2, 1, go.
Whoa, what? That's all for today. The weather's kind of closing us down a little bit out here. The weather and some bad attitudes. So we're gonna come back another day and we'll finish it up then. Thanks for tuning in.